Hey guys, I have a new Bluetooth speaker. This time this is here the F10 Beat Boom by Kucchero. Let's take a look at the features. Comes with the Party Boost beat function. Then it has an LED light show and the extra bass mode. 90 decibels, clear sound, 25 watts, and it supports TWS dual pairing, so you can connect two speakers. And comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and it is IPX7 Waterproof. But now let's have a look inside. So it comes here with this black and gray lanyard, so you can carry around the speaker really easily. And then the charging cord, USB Type-C on the speaker side, and then USB-A to connect it to your charger. It doesn't come with its own charger, you have to use your smartphone charger or similar. And then here, quick start guide. Comes with a 24-hour playtime, 3-hour charging time, and weighs 30 ounces. Now let's have a look at the speaker itself. Very simple design, and you see here the LEDs, this string here, the strip that goes all around, that's the LED light strip. We're going to see that illuminated in a minute, hopefully. And then 5 buttons at the top. Usually the usual buttons, plus, minus, play, pause, and the power button. And then on the bottom we have these little rubber feet, so it doesn't scratch the floor. And here's the spot where we can attach the lanyard to. So you have to do this yourself, it doesn't come pre-installed. But this is really easy, just loop it through there and you're already done. And then here on the right side we see this little cover, waterproof cover. That's where we find the auxiliary port, so we can connect an aux cable. Then the charging cable in the center. On the right side is the toggle button for the light show. So as soon as we switch on the speaker, the first time the Bluetooth pairing mode is automatically enabled. No problem pairing it to our iPhone here within seconds. And let's play it a little bit. I did turn off the light show before, so I have to press this little button here on the back side to enable the light show again. It's just one mode for the light show, like you can't toggle between different modes, so this is what you get. And then let's turn off the light a little bit. Let's dim the light so you can see the light show a little bit better. You can also see it illuminating the ground. Now I'm toggling the bass mode on and off. And you do hear a little bit of a difference, so a little bit more bass, but it's not really that much of an effect, to be honest. And then you're supposed to turn on the Party Boost beat function by holding the plus and minus button at the same time. But I can't get that to work, so I don't know if that feature just doesn't work yet on the speaker here. I can't figure out how to turn this feature on. But now in the front of the speaker we can see those 4 LEDs light up. That's the battery status. So you can see the battery right now is almost full. And the battery status is also transmitted to your smartphone, so you can see the status there as well. And in addition, this Bluetooth speaker also functions as a speakerphone, so you can make your phone calls through the speaker by using the built-in microphone. But now let's compare the sound quality of this speaker here to a different one. We're using here the JBL Flip4. So this is a 16-watt stereo speaker, not using the Flip 6 or 5, because those are just mono speakers, and since we have here now 2 stereo speakers, I think that's equivalent. So 16 watts with the Flip 4 and 25 watts here with the Beat Boom. So let's see how they compare. Yeah, okay, as you may have heard, at the 50% volume, the beat boom was nowhere close to the JBL when it comes to bass, but as soon as you crank it up all the way to 100%, then the beat boom does come closer to the Flip4, but for my taste it does have a little bit too much treble. But then we should also consider the huge price difference between these two speakers. Yeah, okay, so this is already it for this video, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.